helicopter. Very good. Very nice, Dua. Dua, what are you doing? Wow, Dua playing with new toys. Dua, show me your toys. Show me your toys. Look, Dua, new toys. Dua ke new toys. Ducky. And Dua, your cap is so beautiful. What is this?
Sunglasses.
Wow, Dua ke new sunglasses. Dua bought new sunglasses. And which color is this? Pink. Pink sunglasses. Dua, show me your toys. Your new toys. Dua bought new toys. Beautiful. And what is this, Dua? Brush. Dua bought new toothbrush.
I want my little ducky.
What is this, Dua? What is this? Dua, new toy. Beautiful. It's lovely. What is this, Dua? Wow. And what is this? Please tell me. This one. This one. New stickers. Stickers. Look. Beautiful stickers. It's a doll. And this also. New stickers. Yes. And new book. Wow. Beautiful colors and shape. It's to a new book. Now your new book. Colors and?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look. So beautiful. It's lovely. Okay, Dua. And what is this? It's new toy. What is this, Dua?
It's new toy.
New toy. It's blocks.
It's blocks.
What is this? Blocks. Oh, Dua like new book. And what is this, Dua? Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Yeah, open it. Open it. What is this? Show me. Wow, it's beautiful. It's helicopter. What is this?
It's helicopter.
It's new helicopter. White helicopter. It's lovely helicopter. Let me fix it for you.
For you.
Yeah. It's Dua new helicopter. Look, Dua, show me. Show me, Dua, your helicopter. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, now keep it there. And no, Dua, open it. What is this? Open it and show me. What is this, your new toy? Open it. Take it out. Wow, what is this, Dua? Now, what is this? Show me. What is this?
Umbrella.
Wow! Dua, please play piano for me. Please play piano for me. What is this? Dua, what is this? Please tell me, what is this? Piano. Piano.
I want my helicopter.
You want your helicopter. Here is your helicopter. It's the new toothbrush. And it's the new sunglasses, yellow and pink for Eid shopping. And what is this, Dua? How lovely! What is this?
It's a one once.
Dua, what is this? It's the new toys, collection of cards, different colors. And it's the new kit for her doll mirror, and a pouch for doll, and a clip for doll, and camera for doll. Look, now show me, what is this?
The doll. I want one of them.
Yeah, and it's the doll. It's the doll, and it's for her. It's your doll, and she bought for her doll. Lovely toys, Dua. And what is this, Dua?
I want one.
Open it. Wow! What is this? Show me, please. Dua, tell me, what is this? Alhamdulillah. Wow, it's beautiful. It's a car with kitchen accessories. Now, what is this?
My ice cream.
Ice cream. See, mini ice cream. Lovely. And what is this?
Eat.
No, fork.
Fork.
And what is this? Dua, what is this?
This is a volcano.
A fry pan.
Frying pan.
And what is this?
A lemon.
Lemon. Very good. And what is this?
Carrot.
Carrot. Well done. And what is this, Dua? What is this?
This is
Knife.
knife.
And what is this? The small one?
Egg.
Very good. And what is this? Biscuits.
Biscuits.
Very good. It's so beautiful. Your kitchen set.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Dua, you bought lovely toys, and thank you for sharing us your Eid shopping and your toys shopping.
Sunglasses and ice cream.
Oh, sunglasses and ice cream. Okay. Thank you, Dua. Say bye.
I want my sil.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Say Eid Mubarak.
मैंने ड्रामा से वीडियो बनाना.
Okay. Say Eid Mubarak.
मैंने ड्रामा से वीडियो बनाना.
Okay. Say Eid Mubarak. ऐसे. Look. Say Eid Mubarak.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay. Take out this. What is this? Wow, it's new helicopter. Very good. Very nice, Dua. Assalamualaikum, Dua.
वालेकुम सलाम.
Assalamualaikum, Dua.
वालेकुम सलाम.
How are you, Dua?
How are you, Da?
Say, I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Very good.
How many surah Quran Pak?
How many surah in Quran Pak?
30.
No.
Shopping. My Eid shopping.
What is this, Dua?
My Eid shopping.
Eid shopping.
This is blue color.
Oh, this is blue color dress. Very nice.
It's pink.
It's pink. Very nice.
It's favorite.
It's Dua's favorite color?
ये शिफा का
No, it's Dua dress. It's not for Shifa.
शिफा
No, it's not for Shifa. It's Dua dress.
is dual dress, multicolor.
Multicolor. Which color is this, Dua?
It's blue.
Yeah, blue. Very nice.
Blue and then white color too.
It's blue color dress.
Pink shirt. What is ma? It's multicolor.
Yeah, it's pink shirt. Dua Eid dress. Beautiful. Lovely Eid dress. Very nice. And Dua, which color is this?
Dress.
Which color is this?
Dress.
No, blue color.
Blue color.
Blue color dress and pink shirt. Beautiful dupatta. It's Dua Eid dress. It's beautiful Eid dress for Dua.
Dupatta.
Yeah,
Dress.
dress.
Mama. Shirt.
Yeah, jama and shirt. And which color is this?
Shirt.
No, which color is this? It's Dua's second Eid dress. Beautiful. And it's Dua second Eid dress. Beautiful Dua. Which color is this?
Jama.
Jama, okay. And which color is this?
Jama.
Pink and
And
yellow.
yellow.
Yeah, pink and yellow. It's Dua another dress. Another Eid dress.
Mama. Shirt.
Yeah, jama and shirt. And which color is this?
Shirt.
No, which color is this? It's Dua's second Eid dress. Beautiful. And it's Dua second Eid dress. Beautiful Dua. Which color is this?
Jama.
Jama, okay. And which color is this?
Jama.
Pink and
And
yellow.
yellow.
Yeah, pink and yellow. It's Dua another dress. Another Eid dress.
It's my new jacket.
It's your new jacket.
Yes, it's for one.
No, it's for Dua one. It's your new jacket?
Yeah.
Okay, you like it?
I don't want to do that. It's favorite green.
Okay, it's your favorite green. Very good. It's beautiful jacket. Say Alhamdulillah.
It's leather. dark star बन गई है.
Yes, इस जैकेट पे स्टार बना हुआ है. It's the new jacket for Eid. It's beautiful green color. दुआ से Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Dua, what is this? Dua, what is this? This one, Dua. Another dress for Eid.
What's in my tummy?
This, Dua. Do you like it? Which color is this?
One white flower.
No, it's Dua pouch. Beautiful.
Pouch.
Yeah, white pouch. And this Dua pink pouch for Eid. Take it, Dua. Very nice. And it's Dua fourth dress for Eid. It's lovely. Thank you, Dua.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Dua.
Thank you, Dad.
Or this one?
This is under the left. Yes. This is under the room. This is the one on my right.
And this one? This side. You like this one? This one? Or this one?